This video is to show you how to find, download, and import contour maps for your area. To get started, go to viewer.nationalmap.gov/basic and search. That should bring you to a web page that looks just like this. So now, on the right side of the screen here, you should see a map of the United States. Using either the scroll wheel on your mouse or the plus and minus buttons on the screen, zoom into the area that you would like to get the contour maps of. You want to zoom in nice and tight so it only pulls up the maps you want. So that's as far as it will scroll in, so that's where I want to be. You can also search for your location here in the search bar. Once you have zoomed into a very close view of the area that you need, go over to the left side of the screen. In the data section here, select the box next to Topo Map and Topo Style Sheet. Then, under the file format here, select Shapefile. Now at the top of that screen, click the Find Products button. This will bring up a list of all the available topographical maps in this area. If you zoomed in close enough, there should be only a few. Next, we want to look here at the Format icon to determine which ones of these are shapefiles, because those are the ones that we want. After we determine which ones are shapefiles, we want to click this footprint button. This will show us on the map here where this will cover. This one here covers this area, whereas this one down here covers this area. I want the one covering this area, so now that I've determined that it's a shapefile and that is the area I want to click the download button right here. This will download the file to your computer. For some browsers, it may pop up on a bar at the bottom of your screen. Or you may have to open your File Explorer and go to the Downloads folder to find it. Once you find it, go ahead and open it and click the Extract All button. Now it will prompt you to determine a place to store the extracted files. I'm going to put mine here in my Documents folder. And click Extract, and it'll do its thing. Now you can close these files. Open up your map and go to the menu. Then in the menus, go to the Import and then Import Shapefile. Now here we want the action to say Create a New Layer. Then we're going to click the Choose Files button. And now we're going to want to navigate to wherever we saved that file at. And once you open it, you'll see it has a bunch of data in it. We just want the ones for the contours. So we want the ELEV contour here. So go ahead and highlight all those. And then click Open. Now we can change the file name to something that reads a little more easily. So I'm going to say Brownsburg Elevation Contours and click Import Shapefile. This may take a second. When it is finished, it will say one layer imported successfully, and you should see it pop up on your map here. Now I'm going to go ahead and close. Next, we want to go to our layers and scroll down to the bottom to your latest layer addition, and we're going to want to change some things. So for starters, we want to change this fill opacity here to 0. And then I like to change the line width for these types of layers to a 1, just so they're less in the way. And when you're done changing the settings, you can change the line color as well. When you're done, make sure you hit Save Display Settings. And that's how to import elevation contour maps.